Hey, my name is Sam, aka Mr. Two Pairs Minimum, and let's take a quick look at the Air Jordan 4 by Nike's Jordan brand in collaboration with LA-based sneaker boutique Undefeated in the deep green colorway. These were released on the 20th of August for the retail price of £210 here in the UK, but luckily my bid recently hit on StockX and I paid slightly just over retail. It comes in a matte silver 25th anniversary box. The shoes come wrapped in white paper with Jumpman and Undefeated branded paper wrapping around it. Extra orange laces and Undefeated branded hand tags were a nice touch, but I would have liked some extra green laces similar to the OG, but we're not here for the packaging or the box, so let's get right into the shoes. Undefeated was the first boutique to ever have its own Jordan retro colorway. It's believed that only 72 pairs were made, and the only way you can get your hands on a pair was through an in-store raffle in the Los Angeles store, which continues the recent trend to bring highly coveted pairs to be more accessible to the general public, which I'm really happy about. The most notable change which I like is the Nike at the heel. They've ditched the Jumpman, and it feels like the general public gets the special version, and it looks much better in my opinion. This shoe was inspired by the 1950s MA1 fighter pilot bomber jackets. You can see this in its premium deep green nubuck upper, orange tongue lining, matching air unit combined with the satin silk tongue. The more subtle Undefeated branding can be seen in the orange insoles and behind the tongue. Plus the removable patch takes a nod to the bomber jacket style, while being subtle and easy to wear. On feet, I recommend staying true to size. Yes, Jordan 4s are a little bit snug, especially at the pinky toe, but this shoe feels quite soft and should break in fast. In this video I paired with a black polo t-shirt from Marks & Spencer's and some washed black jeans from Acne Studios 1996. As usual, purchase links to my YouTube video description. Thanks for watching. Please drop a like and comment the feed to show me you enjoyed this video. Now let's discuss, did you pick these up? Let me know what shoe you waited for in the comments below. Apart from that, have a good day.